The SADC Secretariat has formally handed over to the SADC Organ on Defense, Politics and Security Cooperation the organization and supervision of fresh elections in Zimbabwe. Welcome back to Zim News Live YTS, so we give you latest updates about what's transpiring in Zimbabwe. Before we go any further, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates. The SADC Organ on Defense, Politics and Security Cooperation, also known as the Sadc Troika, is now in charge as per its mandate. The organ will soon announce the SADC Electoral Observation Mission (SEOM) to Zimbabwe. Things are now moving very fast. We do have it on good authority that the SADC Organ on Defense, Politics and Security Cooperation is putting together the SEOM to Zimbabwe and a coordinating team that will oversee the supervision of the fresh elections in Zimbabwe. This team will be led by the SADC Secretariat. In today's news, the SADC Troika organ takes charge of Zim fresh elections. Let us know what you think in the comment section down below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates from our channel.